In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tally Forms with an email automation tool using Zapier. This integration will help streamline your workflow by automatically sending emails whenever you receive a new form submission. So let's dive right in and make those connections. First, head over to Tally, the free online form builder. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so. But assuming you have, go ahead and click on the Login button at the top corner of the page. You will be prompted to choose how you'd like to log in. For convenience, let's select Continue with Google. Choose your Google account from the list provided, and then click Continue. This should take you to your Tally dashboard, where we'll need to make sure that you've already created a form you'd like to connect with Zapier. Once you're sure that the form is ready, it's time to hop over to Zapier. Zapier is a tool that connects different apps to automate your workflow. We'll create what's called a Zap, which is an automation that consists of a trigger and an action. In our case, the trigger will be a new submission in Tally, and the action will be sending an email. Start by clicking Create a New Zap in Zapier. In the search bar, type Tally and select it as the app you'd like to connect. Next, log into your Tally account via Zapier and choose New Submission as the trigger event. This ensures that every time a new submission is made on your Tally form, the action you set will be triggered. Now hit Continue. Zapier will ask you to select the specific form you want to connect. From the drop-down menu, find the form you created in Tally, select it, and hit Test. This step ensures that your Zap is correctly linked to your form. Once the test is successful, click Continue with the selected record. Now let's set up the action. This is where the email automation comes into play. Type email into the search bar to set up your email service as the action app. Choose email from the list and then click on Choose an Event. Here, we'll want to select Send Outbound Email. This action will trigger an email to be sent each time there's a new form submission. Click Continue. The last step involves configuring and customizing the email that will be sent. You can input the recipient's email address, set the subject line, and craft the body message to match your needs. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Tally Forms with an email automation tool using Zapier. This simple integration will efficiently keep you updated with each new form submission, saving you time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more insightful automation tips. Happy automating!